Good morning, everyone. Today we will start the training method. Training method are very significant for the improvement of physical fitness of sports person. Maybe you heard old German proverb, many roads lead to Rome. It means that many ways lead to the aim. If I explain in my word, all the training methods of doing something will achieve the same result is the end. Here we learn about so many types of training method, and these training methods are circuit training method, interval training method, repetition training method, fartlek training method, and weight training method. Before explaining any training method, we must be know about the training components. Why it's important? Just because if you don't know about the components, then you will never achieve your goal. Especially those boys are going to the gym, they know very well volume of the training, intensity of the exercising, how much time they will take a rest. So these are here. So these training components are training timing, frequency of exercising, intensity of exercising, volume of training, work to rest ratio, type of exercise, order of exercises, and number of repetition per sets. Here we will start with the repetition method. Repetition method is a form of training similar to interval. This training method especially used by the runners, swimmers, cyclists and other sports persons. It differs from interval training in the length of work and the amount of recovery between repetitions. It's very important line. Again I am repeating. It's differ from the interval training in the length of work and the amount of recovery between repetition. It's also known as tempo training. In repetition method, an activity is performed with interval of the complete recovery. There can be some variation of this method, such as competitions and trials, playing at very high intensity but with the interval of complete recovery, speed training and the maximum strength training. Here are the few more points. Repetition training conduct at maximal intensity level. Repetition training used in the final preparation for competition. The duration of exercises is normally longer than in interval training. Longer recovery periods are needed between individual bouts. W and R ratio is approximately 1:5 or longer. Here, repetition method, we must be remember about the aim of this training, and the aim is development of strength, power or muscular endurance. So if you want to develop your strength or power, then you will perform 3 to 5 sets of 3 to 5 rep at 85 to 95% of their 1 rep maximum repetition. To develop muscular hypertrophy, you must be understand this word. It means increase your muscle size and strength. An individual will perform 3 to 5 sets of 8 to 12 reps at 70 to 80%, 1 rep maximum. To develop the muscular endurance, an individual will perform 2 to 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps at approximately 60% of their 1 rep maximum. Here we take a one example, maybe easily you can understand. Whole body muscular hypertrophy training session. Perform 3 sets of 10 repetition of the following exercises with 2 minutes rest between each sets. These exercises are squat, chest press, lunge, bent over row, shoulder press, bicep curl, and leg extension. Here I will give you the notes also, so boys will have to note it down in your PED register. Let's explain about the advantages of this training method. This training helps in the development of neuromuscular coordination, helps in the development of muscular hypertrophy and lactic acid tolerance power. It also helps in the improvement of speed ability, maximum strength and explosive power. It is the most suitable method for the improvement of anaerobic capacity. It improves speed and speed endurance. In fact, endurance athletes require the speed for the start and final phase to the complete as well as for the intermediate spurts. It also improves glycolytic process. Thank you boys. If you have any query regarding this training method, please contact me. Thank you.